just like that, and we're here. So we're gonna actually start from the inside of the house because it is a little windy outside. So I'll explain as I pan through and kind of just show you what's going on. So this is where we are standing current to date.
Remember I used to say, one day I'm gonna be somebody. One day I'm gonna be somebody. One day I'm gonna be somebody. I remember I used to say.
What it do, like new family? Welcome back to another video. Man, it's been a while since I said that. It feels good. So what happened? The long story short, COVID, the city of Amarillo, inspections, lack of finances, life itself, and then the worst was when my terabyte, I had a 2 terabyte passport with loads of video. I had a 1.5 terabytes of raw footage, not only of the golf house, but a couple other projects that I wanted to lump in here, and I lost it all. And when I lost all of that footage, it kind of was like a punch in the stomach. And I was like, you know what? I don't even think I want to do this anymore. So I had really started making a decision to just fix houses off camera and maybe take a few pictures of it. So I wasn't going to do it. That's kind of where we were at, why we took so long. But now that we're back, we got some projects in the works and we're going to keep going. We're not going to quit. We're not going to give up. And I do have some updates on the golf house. So the golf house, I lost a lot of footage on it, but I do still have a little bit of footage. I got a couple video inserts of the electricians right before they got their work done. And then I've got a couple inserts of the flooring before we had to strip it up because the water came through. So I'm going to insert what I've got. I'll bring you up to current, show you what we have, and then we'll wrap this thing up because I got a surprise for you. So stay tuned. If you haven't done so already, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss what we got coming. All right, so we're back over here at this old thing. A lot's happened. Lost a lot of video footage, been down in the dumps, fighting with the city, you name it. But we're still here, still fighting along, still moving. Want to give you a quick update because I've got a lot of work done and I got my boys here at the electrician company wiring us up for some electrical. Of course, we got some heat. Boxes going up, flooring's about to go down, subfloor. I got a couple more walls I gotta frame out, but I framed up a lot of walls, opened up a lot of walls, added some doors in, patched up a lot of the underlayment of the floor, the subfloor. Added those doors in there, moved walls around, took this whole wall out, got the tub out, got all of the plumbing out, got the new walls in, got them framed up, braced up, and now we'll get done. So I'm back again. It's the next day. I have to say I love this heater right here because I came in, it was 29 degrees and it's already up to 65, and I've got a little bit of work done. So this attic access to be cold regulation needs to be 30 by 30. It was 24 by 20, so I had to take it out and reframe it. The return air system's gonna need to be 20 by 20. I'm about to reframe it in as well. HVAC man has made it today. Yesterday was electrical, today is mechanical. So I've got my HVAC crew here and the workers, they're about to put it in. We just put the upstairs unit in the attic. They're gonna come rough it in. All right. Not much footage, but we got a lot of updates. So let me take y'all around here and show you what we've done so far. So me and a couple of, look back through here the other day. We got the back of the house all the way done. My electric plus my overhead service fully roughed in, it's done. We got this side of the house done all the way up to there. We got about 2 or 3 pieces plus the trim to put up there. We'll have it done. You do see some wires poking out the back over here because we got the electrical roughed in. We got the mechanical system roughed in, including the dryer vents and the actual bathroom vent. And also we got the major unit up into the attic. We got subfloor going in. We're gonna get the rest of the subfloor that I'm standing on in. We're gonna get it plumbed. We'll get all of that inspected, and then we'll get some insulation. We'll get that inspected. We'll get drywall, mud, tape, paint, all the good stuff. We'll get this fixed up, finished up, so that another family can move in and have a quality, affordable housing. What you think? Drop your comments and thoughts below. Let me know. It's a little windy, so I came over here originally to throw some seed back here on the new dirt we put up. Got a meter in because we built up the ground about 2 feet. Not finished yet, but that's what I came for. But I'll give y'all an update. So, house has been redone. This is the back. It's completely done. It's just not painted yet. Side, we got that all done. Doors in. Let me take you on the inside. Got all of that redone. Remember the front of the house, bingo. Guess I can't skip past the new windows and doors. Light fixtures up there. Doorbell. When did they say they're gonna come out and inspect it?
I'll get my reports uploaded today, and you can come out here tomorrow.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
That'll work.
Yeah. They asked for one more thing. It's like, I don't know how we're gonna do it all.
Right, I already know.
They get more and more complicated.
Yep. The more time, they have more time in the office nowadays, I guess you could say.
Pretty much.
COVID. Just like that, and we're here. So we're gonna actually start from the inside of the house because it is a little windy outside. So I'll explain as I pan through and kind of just show you what's going on. So this is where we are standing current to date. A lot of the footage of everything here, as I explained earlier, has been lost. But so the flooring, when we took the roof off and we had to strip it all the way back to get that done, we left the roof open too long and that ruined the wood that we had there and it had all started to warp. So we had to snatch it all out. We did so, put some fresh new flooring down, put a barrier in between there. So we got all of that done. Also, after coming in here, remember, moving the door that was here, moving it into the hallway, taking out the wall that was here and flowing the kitchen through. So getting all of that done and then getting the closet built up for the utility closet there. We got everything done, and you can also see all of our MEPs are in. We got the mechanical system run, and as of today, current date, we just passed the inspection. Super excited on that. We got the electrical in. We've been past the rough end inspection on it. It's been in a while. The plumbing's in. We did pass partially because there's some things going on in the backyard I'll show you. But everything as far as in the house, it has passed. And so it all looks good. But just some scans of the rooms that you kind of see them. Again, I guess I moved a little fast. Room 1. Or closet. Come in, pretty nice. Washer dryer stacks go there. Boom, bedroom 1. Remember we put the window, rebuilt it, closed one up. All new electrical in here. Boxes for the TVs and the Ethernets and stuff that'll come in. Electrical, fan box, AC, return. This is bedroom 1. We fixed up the closet as well. Drywall is about to be going up in about a day or so. Now that the inspections are passed, we got one more, and then they'll approve us for installation, and then we'll keep going. Hallway, let me show you the hallway from back here. Had to rebuild the return air and the opening. Closet, water heater closet. Built the platform. Bathroom. We had to move the toilet over here because by the new code there wasn't enough space, so we didn't want to chance it. Bedroom 2. This is a trash box I've been keeping in front of the window. Back. Ain't nothing in here. 2. if this is the first video, go back and see what this thing looked like when we bought it. A lot of time has passed. We've been doing a lot of work, lost a lot of footage, but this is where we are now. Kitchen. Guess let me slow down. Refrigerator will be here. Got the fridge lines in and everything for it. Sink will go there. Got all the plumbing rough in for it. There'll be an exhaust fan. Vent plugged up there. You got the stove set up there. The overhead service box, back door. In the kitchen. Boom, back corner of this end. Remember we had to build this back end of the house up? There's videos where this whole corner from where I'm standing in, panning now, was damaged from termites, and we had to redo this whole corner. But I'll show you this wall, all the new 2x4s. All right, so there's that. Once the wind stops, I'll show you outside. All right, so I'm back. We are at the golf house. Looks amazing, right? It is windy, so if the wind's bad, I will just voice over it. But first, let's just admire a minute of work. Wow. And here comes Don. But anyway, so got a call and Don came. But anyway, so here we are back, right? Admiring the beauty. Explain to you what's going on. We're not done. I still got to put some trim in up here, just like you see here. We got some little patchwork to do before painting. There's gonna be back a pole here, just like that old one, but it's not gonna be the old one, and I don't want to put it up to after we paint. So right now it's just kind of freestanding, but that is what we have on the outside. We got our outside water spigot put up right there in the front, and we got the windows put in, the new eyes, and we got our overhang. Remember, we put the brand new box on, so we built the overhang and we got that in there looking good. We got some work over there too. I'll explain that in a minute, but let's just take a walk around and I'll kind of explain what happened on this. So here's the right side where, of course, you notice we closed up all the windows, better efficiency, and so that we didn't have to repair them. Instead of bringing the old concrete pad we paid for, when our concrete man came to pour the sidewalk and the driveway, I also had him pour a concrete pad here for us. So that's for the AC unit to sit on, and then wires and stuff that are coming out for the AC unit. Back of the house, Don up there getting everything ready for paint. So to explain here what happened, so the water lines needed to be covered up by at least another foot of dirt, plus the elevation of the house, because of how high up the box is right there, it needed to be brought up about a foot. So we brought in about 1.5 feet of dirt and made a little pad. When we finish, we'll fill it in and elevate it out. That was a hiccup that slowed us down for a while. Videos and everything from that were lost. Might have a few inserts of when me and my son were playing in the excavator, fixing the plumbing lines. New overhead service, that's the panel we put in. Got all of that brand new. New window back here for the back bedroom. Backwater spigot, new sewer line, the clean outs and everything. And then my plumber added a line in there. I think he said that's to the water line. So got that in there as well. Back end of the house, looking good. Yeah, Don, I'm gonna have to go get you a rag. I didn't have a rag. I didn't even plan that through all the way, but I gotta go get the saw anyway to finish the trim. Junk that's gotta be gone. We ran all the way new sewer to the alley and then dug in and tied in. And this is all the junk from putting the sidewalk in. Other side of the house. This one also got to get finished, trimmed up, but for the most part, we got all the new siding in. Looks good, looks good. Boom. And then of course you seen the front of the house. So driveway, we didn't put a new driveway in. We filled in what was already here with concrete, and then we poured a brand new approach to the driveway, filled it right in like it was, and then I put a new sidewalk. I said at every house that I remodel or build from here moving forward, I want to put a sidewalk in so that the people have somewhere to walk. just bringing some more value back to the neighborhood. Again, this house is in the neighborhood that I grew up in. This one is one street away down the block from the actual house that I lived in. So doing my part to give back. So here's the front. This is the sidewalk. It's fully cured, but I don't want people driving on my sidewalk, driveway and stuff right now, so didn't take that out. We'll probably bring some dirt in, do a little backfilling in here, clean up some of the debris once we finish, knock some of this dirt down. But yeah, house is looking amazing. And yes, so I sold this house, and with the proceeds, I actually bought I bought an abandoned apartment complex that was not abandoned. I'll explain later. Stay tuned. If you haven't done so far, smash that like button and subscribe, because you're not gonna want to miss. I promise. After waiting a year to give y'all a video, I had to give y'all a short teaser. My landscape man just got here and cleaned up all the weeds. They were super high, but remember that apartment complex I told you we sold the golf house to buy? This is it. Give you a quick sneak peek. So see, on the next episode, I'll show you the apartment getting.
Told you that the game sucks, same us, come see somebody, cause I told you that I'ma be somebody. Remember I used to say, this song right here, this song for anybody, somebody. Told you you can't be nobody. Remember I used to say, Trayo.